Pytorch, assign values from one mask to another, mask by itself. I have a mask active that tracks batches that still have not terminated in a recurrent process. Its dimension is batch_full, and its true entries show which elements need to still be used in current step. The recurrent process generates another mask, terminated, which has as many elements as true values in active mask. Now, I want to take values from ~terminated and put them back into active, but at the right indices. Basically I want to do However, I get error. Runtime error, unsupported operation. Some elements of the input tensor and the written to tensor refer to a single memory location. Please clone the tensor before performing the operation. How can I do the described above operation in an effective way?
There are a few solutions. I will also give their speed as measured by timite, 10K repetitions, on 2021 MacBook Pro. The simplest solution, taking 0.260s. We can use mask_scatter_in-place operation for ABT. 2x speedup, 0.136s. Out-of-place operation, taking 0.161s, would be